Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel is Aviation. Here we discuss about the short simple topic about the aviation field. Today's topic of discussion is Missile Approach Warning System or MAWS. As the name depicts, this is a system which is fitted on a platform. If we say platform, it is a ship, a aircraft, helicopter or a tank which warns the crew about the missile approaching towards it. As I've written, this is a system which detects, track and give warning of any incoming missile or threat approaching to the platform. How the MAWS is doing it? There are IR sensors. Earlier there were IR sensors, now it has been developed to very advanced sensors. They detect the heat signature of the missile. So when a missile is launched, there is a lot of heat at the tail, and that heat is being detected by the IR sensors which are fitted on the aircraft on the platform, and they alert the crew. So what crew does? They take the evasive action to evade the incoming missile. When we say evasive actions, there are flares to counter the heat seeker missile. There are chef dispenser or chef which are evade to the electromagnetic or radar seekers seeking missiles. There are DIRCM which are used to evade the IR seekers. So this is the basic fundamental of a MAWS. I have made a picture or a pictorial representation of same. So there is a SAM, surface to air missile launcher, and one missile is being launched to a Rafale which is flying in the sky. So when the missile is launched, there is a lot of heat signature as I am encircling it, and this heat signature is being detected by the sensors which are fitted on the Rafale. I have encircled it. They are the location where the heat infrared IR sensors are fitted on the aircraft, and these sensors, when the missile is approaching, they alert the air crew by on the MFD, that is a multifunction display, and they tell the location also that the missile is approaching towards it, and accordingly pilot can maneuver the aircraft according to the missile approach, as we can see in the movies, or it can dispense the flares or the chef depending on the what kind of missile is coming in. In continuation to that, this is a Rafale pic. I have made it in three different view. As you can see, the blue one are the MAWS sensors. In this, as you can see, the MAWS sensors are fitted here and at the tail at the top. So these sensors sense the missile, incoming missiles. There, the green one are the flares dispenser and the red one are the chef dispensers. So actually all these avionic, the MAWS, missile approach warning system, the radar warning system, RWR, radar warning receiver rather, laser warning system, these are the avionics suit, or they are the self protection suit, SPS we call it. And in the Rafale it is being made by Thales Spectra, and you will be surprised knowing that Spectra has its full form of self protection equipment to counter threats for Rafale aircraft. So if you want to know more about the Rafale specifically, you can actually search it by Thales Spectra, what all are the systems. If we speak about what are the major system, as you can see there are 6 sensors which are fitted. This is for Sukhoi SKM-30I. I was not getting any specific details for the Rafale, so I have just, for a larger point of view, just what are the major components fitted for the MAWS system. There are 6 sensors in Sukhoi, and there is a data processing unit, and then there are MFD. So these are the major 3 components in which the sensor give the data to the data processing unit, and it shows on the MFD. There is an airborne recorder also which records the complete data, and ground playback system. So if I conclude the video, if I conclude my this thing, the details about the MAWS. So MAWS is a passive defense warning system. Why it is passive? Because in active you emit the electromagnetic wave or infrared wave, but in the passive system there are sensors, and they find or they receive the signal and accordingly alert the crew. So that is why this is a passive defense warning system. They employed against SAM and air-to-air missile. They detects the plume. Plume is the exhaust of a missile, which is a mixture of heat, gases. So that is why it is called as plume. So they detect the plume and the body emission. Body emission as the missile is flying, because of the aerodynamic friction, the leading parts of the missile they get heated, and the sensor detects this emission too. This system they also cue the countermeasure system, as I've already discussed, as a part of self protection system suit SPS, Durkheim flare shaft. Uh, they cue the countermeasure also. If I dig deep into the MAWS system, earlier there were mid-wave IR system that is used to detect the IR system in the mid-wave range, but as an advanced this thing, it has been improved to solar blind UV. So what happens, the false alarming rate, or let's not get that deep, in a UV system they are more accurate to the mid-wave IR system. If we speak about the Doppler based MAWS, when we speak about Doppler, that means there's a relative speed, so you can actually find the speed of the missile, incoming missile, which is approaching to the platform, to the aircraft. So they are the more advanced Doppler based MAWS. So here I end my video. I hope what MAWS is, how does it work, what are the systems are fitted, and why it is required. These basic questions are cleared in this video, and if you have any query, any specific doubt about the MAWS system, or if you want me to cover any other system of the aircraft related to aviation, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for signing it up. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.